How to get Spotify Premium. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to get Spotify Premium, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into Google and type in Spotify Premium, and as you can see you can actually get 3 months of Spotify Premium for free now if you have never tried Spotify Premium before. So I'm going to click on this search result right here. And as you can see, you will get 3 months free Spotify Premium, and after that, it will cost $9.99 per month if you don't cancel the Spotify Premium before the 3 months has ended. And this 3 months free trial, it works just for certain countries, I think, and not for everyone at the moment. So when I'm in here, I'm going to click where it says get 3 months for $0. In here, I will need to log into my account. But if you don't have an account on Spotify, then you can click here where it says sign up for Spotify. Now, when I've logged into my account, then I will be taken to this page right here. And in here, you will be able to see if you qualify for the 3 months free premium or not. So now I need to fill out all this information in here, and you will also need to add either your debit card or credit card, or you can also add your PayPal account. And just like that, I have now Spotify Premium. So this is exactly how to sign up for Spotify Premium. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day.